Hello, how you doing? Um, so I made about 3 live streams. Okay, sorry, I made 2 live streams today where I failed to enact um, a GitHub repository, and I thought I had it working, and it was driving me cracked, and I didn't even know where to start with debugging. There is a piece of software called VTube Studio, and it's really cool, but it's not for me. It's not what I wanted. So I made my own one. Biggest problem I had is I wanted it to have a background, um, a see-through background, and I'm going to give it some animation at some point. I just have to learn how to do that. But I hooked it up to Ollama. Now I have another video with Ollama on it, and I've been told I should do a demo first. Okay, so I think we should be able to hear the sound. Hello, how are you? Your name is Theo. The name, there, please work.
I'm doing well.
Cool. What do you think of your name?
I think my name is a unique and uncommon one, although it does not have any special meaning or significance. I like that my parents chose it because they wanted something different from the norm, and I feel proud to be associated with such an unusual moniker.
I think that's pretty good. So I'm gonna add voice to text so I don't have to click the button and click send. I might just have a hotkey on my keyboard, and I will then work on having a mouth moving part, maybe moving head from side to side. I'm not entirely sure yet. But yeah, I made it using Electron, Node.js. Electron, Node, and 11 Labs. I didn't feel like doing it any other way, but yeah, I think that I did a good job for the last 2 hours, 3 hours worth of work. So, what do you think of life, EO? Oh yeah, I don't even have the enter button working. It's uncensored apparently, but it doesn't say any NSFW stuff. I tried.
Life can be described as a journey, full of experiences, challenges, and opportunities. It is a complex phenomenon that can be difficult to fully understand or comprehend. Some people view it as a chance to make their mark on the world, while others see it as a struggle to survive. Ultimately, life is what we make of it and how we choose to approach each moment of it.
Pretty clever. So the audio is not the best. I will change the audio later on. I'm using version 1. I'm also doing it as a streaming, and then it's like compiling it and then spitting it out, and I could just do it as a full blob, and then that would work better, but it's working better than what it was earlier, where the words were overlapping on each other, and it's getting close to late. My son was sick from school today, so I ended up not having as much time to work on the other stuff that I was going to work on, and I'm going to go and check on him now in a minute. But yeah, the transparent background is because I'm using Electron, and that was a key factor for me. I wanted to have something on my desktop that wasn't too in the way and that I could control a bit better. And the image is from ChatGPT, and I hope this redeems myself. It does for me a little bit, and I'm looking forward to making it a bit better, definitely with the animations and giving it. Oh yeah, so one of the cool things about Ollama is that you can install multiple different models. So I could get it set up with something like AutoGen, so that it can it can give me a response like this, or it can give me a code response, or it can give me another response, and maybe I can even get it to like write a file to this to my desktop or something like that. And I need feedback if I should continue with this. Otherwise, I have a couple of other things that I'd like to do, which is like Task Weaver and replacements for GPT Pilot and a few other things. But yeah, I think this one is nice. And I made a very small amount of code, so it isn't hard to get up and running. It's just 3 different files, and I hope I didn't expose anything there that I shouldn't have. No, okay, cool. Yep, so there it is. I hope you like it, and again, let me know if you want something better. And yes, all my sound is coming through. Did you actually hear this? I'm sorry, I just want to check my studio here to see if it's coming through. What are the main planets in the solar system? If it doesn't say Pluto, I'll be annoyed.
The 8 major planets
Sweet.
in the solar system,
8.
in order of distance from the Sun, are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Venus, Earth, Mars, and Mercury.
Okay, so there is a capability of adding MemGPT, so you can teach it new things and return Pluto to its proper designation, which is what I am going to implement for sure, just for my own sake. Anywho,